Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's David's Displays, and sorry I haven't posted in a little bit. I've just been a little busy. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm just going to do an update on what I've been doing. So, to start, I'm going to give a little tour of my little farm, my farm update. So, to start, the road, I've got some road work. That's my new dump truck. I really like it. I have the other one, the old one. And I have a couple trucks over here. Got the side-by-side. Then I got the tractor. The tractor right here. They're pulling it out. Got the service truck. There's also a little plow under there. Back there is basically the same. I just swapped the trailers around. Got a new tree back there. Dump truck's back there. A little Dodge. That one's back there. Kenworth. Max inside. Kenworth, I don't really know what that is, what to call it, but I have the salt spreader from that truck. Salt spreader's under there. Inside the shop, I moved some stuff around. Got the Mac in the corner, which someone bumped that. Alright, the hood is supposed to be open. They were just working on it. I got a couple tractors, a couple cars back there. Yeah, I put my grain truck I built in there. Over here, I got that truck. I got that truck. One, I got that. I got them at the same time. I really like this one. Hood opens. And then, well, I'll show you what the tailgate came off of. But then I have this truck I did. Really like it. The bed, the bale, and the brush guard is all from Lockwood Angus. I still have to do the power lines, which this is still all loose, messed up. It got hit a couple times. It's really messed up here. I still didn't get the lines on. But that's it with that. And then over here I have like a little display, like a little one. It's gonna be a little bigger than this one. But yeah, working on that. My brother gave me that baler, but my trailer I'm working on. A couple of other things I've got from Lockwood Angus. Semi, a couple trucks, a couple parked and stuff. Right here I have my tools and stuff. Right here I've got a bunch of my trucks, which that truck's got no tires anymore. I need to get some tires for that. But, yeah. Cool. Oh yeah, well, I stole the tires off that truck to put on, the tires on here I put onto a different truck I was working on. So now I need a lot of tires for a lot of my trucks. A lot of my trucks have tires, but they're too small for it. So I need a little bit bigger of tires. And I have a green light. Got my plowing truck. One of my plowing trucks. My other monster truck I need to put tires on. I robbed the tires off this for another truck. Which the tires off that I put on to my Bigfoot build. Which I could probably take this and put it down here. I need that this truck doesn't have tires anymore. This is just a stock Ertl Dodge. This my Mustang, it was a diesel Mustang. The stack fell off. This truck needs tires. This truck did have working suspension, but broke. I have my service truck, a couple other things in here. This truck, all I did was a wheel swap. Yeah. My Dodge. Yeah. So that's that drawer. There's nothing in the bottom drawer. Next is right here. Working on another one, which that I just had to dry. I got, well, sweep up the extra. I just didn't get to it yet. Yeah. It'll be the gravel road, a field, like a little dirt road going up. Yeah, a couple trees. These black dots are where trees are gonna go. There's gonna be a tree there. Oh, this part here is gonna be all field. Yeah. So then I also have my little display. The first one I've done, it's not the best. I still like it, but then I also have this truck I've done, which the big blue one I had down there. These are the tires I took off it. I took those tires off to put on here. Yeah, this was a monster truck. My brother broke it, so he gave it to me. I didn't want to redo all the suspension, so I just turned it into a pickup. So now I do need bigger tires for that. This truck I'm working on, it is going to be a replica of my dad's truck. It's blue and silver. I'll work on it. I have that stuff here. Here's one of my new trucks too. I was working on. It's a two-tone. The bed turned out better than the cab, but I did that all by myself. First time I've actually done something like that. It turned out really good, especially that bed. The lines are so straight on that till you get to the cab. But that's that. Here's the bottom. You can still see the orange, the original color. But yeah, I like it. Oh yeah, this one actually rolls. This one rolls. Not many trucks actually roll. This truck does not roll. I'm pushing it, but it doesn't roll. And here's that truck. This truck was the one I took this tailgate off. Came off that truck. Because I did have this plow truck. I'm working on it right now, so that's why it's kind of took apart right now. I never actually glued it back together. So that's that stuff there. I think I've showed you this one, but here's it again. Actually, this truck is supposed to be down here. Supposed to be like that. The old John Deere. Yeah. And then it has that. Combine. Yep. I have that. And then, just give me a second, I'm gonna go show one more of them. I just can't show you this. because everything's a mess right now because we got flooded in bad rain. I also have this one I'm working on. I'm doing a tutorial on how to make one of these. So, yeah, this one. Couldn't really continue it because we got flooded. So, I have my old displays. This one, it was all messed up and everything. I just never fixed it up, put it back together, so just all over the place. Yeah, it's right now blocking. So whenever you clean up from that flood, well, water's all cleaned up. We just have to put the tables back together, back the way it was. Then I should have, well, then it'll be all good again. That shop I did by myself. That shop, yeah, I made that one. Pretty nice. That's as good as I can get for the inside of it. I also did that little popsicle stick one. My pap did that. Yeah, I made that little tree there. Okay, here, I'm going to go back to the other side. So just give me a second. Okay. So, I'm not sure if I showed you this truck. I just found it over there. Oh, there's that truck, my ranch truck. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for any background noise. I'm in my basement. So, bye. Hope you enjoyed.